għaw madwar 200 ġibjun ta' ċertu kobor. Mhux kollha ndaqs, imma hemm kobor sostanzjali. Bdejna mill-proġett tal-pjazza. Proġett illi ġie restawrat, inġabar kollu l-ilma li kien ġo fih, li jesa aktar minn 1 miljun gallun ilma, reġa' ntela bl-għajnuna ta' entità governattiva u dik privata flimkien ukoll ma' NGO Mediterranja jiġi konsumat kollu dal-ilma u jintuża aħjar għal ġid tar residenti f'din il-lokalità.
The Energy and Water Agency, in partnership with public, private and international organizations, is on the Alter Aqua program. This program promotes the use of non-conventional water sources, such as rainwater harvesting. One initiative of this program is the rehabilitation of an underground reservoir located in Victory Square, Birgu.
The history of water conservation in Malta dates back thousands of years. Birgu has vast reservoirs and cisterns that are located below houses, below palaces, and below squares. One particular reservoir that is found below Victory Square holds about 315,000 gallons of water. The second largest reservoir in Birgu is located on Strada delle Quartieri, as it was known previously. This particular reservoir holds about 140,000 gallons of water.